In occasione del Congresso europeo di ematologia che si è tenuto a Milano, abbiamo incontrato Adam Plick, fondatore e CEO di Avanzanite, azienda farmaceutica in fase di sviluppo commerciale e rapida crescita, dedicata a rendere disponibili farmaci per le malattie rare ai pazienti di tutta Europa e che quest'anno ha partecipato per la prima volta a questo importante congresso. Adam, could you briefly share how the company was founded, its core mission, and a few key figures who have contributed to its success?
I founded Avanzanite first and foremost to transform how medicines for rare diseases are reaching patients in every corner in Europe, including in Italy. In fact, the origin of Avanzanite, the inspiration, comes from Italy, from Sicily. It all started with our first partnership with a family-owned, Italian-based, Sicilian-based company called Sifi, where we entered with them a partnership for 26 European countries to make sure that their product becomes available for patients with a very rare eye infection. The product was authorized last year, and we're very proud to bring it to patients outside of Italy. But that was where the inspiration came from. And then we ask ourselves the question, are there more companies like Sifi that are looking for partners outside of Italy? Or maybe there are companies in the United States that want to come to Europe and they just simply don't know how to make it happen. And that's where the idea for Avanzanite evolved from one partnership with an Italian company to three partnerships as it is today.
Avanzanite is participating in the European Hematology Association Congress in Milan and has just announced a partnership with Agios Pharmaceuticals. What is the strategic significance of this agreement?
Well, first and foremost, let's start with the most important thing. This means a lot for patients, both in Italy but in the whole of Europe. As part of the partnership, Avanzanite will bring the Agios product to patients in Europe across all indications for different rare blood disorders. In other words, the most important outcome of it is that we will be able to make that product available to those patients, both for the currently approved indication, but also for the future potential indications too. But that's one part of the story. The other part of the story for Avanzanite as an organization, we are entering a new exciting field of hematology. So far we've been bringing medicines, and we've been interacting with physician community in ophthalmology and nephrology. Now it's hematology. So that's another area of our growth. On top of it, the partnership with Agios is truly pan-European. What it means is that we are going to bring their product for all countries in Europe. And this is a great opportunity for us and it's such a great moment that we are here in Italy, and this will be the first product that we'll bring to the Italian patients too.
Avanzanite positions itself as an innovative player in the European pharmaceutical landscape. How does your presence in Italy fit into your broader continental strategy?
Well, we position ourselves as the go-to launch partner for rare diseases across every country in Europe. In fact, we are bringing a capital-efficient pathway for US biotechs, for the European R&D companies, for the Japanese R&D companies to bring their innovative medicines to Europe in a way that is capital efficient for them, at the same time to ensure that patients in Europe have access to the medicines. Now, what's so special about that? Well, so far, the companies had only two choices. They could set up their own infrastructure. It's very costly, risky. It takes away the attention from other things, and it may not be the best use of their capital. Or they can simply out-license or the rights or sell them out to another company with all the different issues that comes with it. Today, with Advanced Night truly pan-European presence, there's a third way to bring their medicines to Europe through our commercialization platform. It is really a true paradigm shift. I mean, we are really setting up a new benchmark of those partnerships in how patients are and how to reach patients in Europe. Now, coming back to your second part of the question about Italy, well, there's no Europe without Italy. So being here in Italy, setting the foundations, investing in the country, having here a presence and experience, just allows us to have the opportunity to bring the products of those innovators to every country in Europe, including Italy.
Avanza Night is also involved in thalassemia. Can you tell us more about your efforts in this area?
Well, our partner Agios, I mean, they are having multiple R&D programs for different rare blood disorders, across different products that they have, and that's what we are very passionate about them, because they're really developing a new science in this field. Our partnership includes the rights for both the existing authorized medicine, authorized indications, but also the future ones.